Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Brevo Support. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Brevo website, which of course I have done right here. The next one is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type brevo.com. Once you do that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Brevo. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to contact Brevo Support. Let's say you're navigating Brevo and you have issue whatsoever and you just need to reach out to the support system. Here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen and see usage and plan, you see help, you see notification, you see that your profile name. So go ahead and click on help. And once you click on help, that brings you up into this that says need help. Oh yes. So you can choose to visit the help center if you want that, and you can use the supports and ticket as make a request to our support team to get help, or you can even chat with them using the chat bot. You can find an expert, you can work with your project, you can get more resources. You can choose any of these, and once you choose any of these, you'll be able to get in touch with them. So let's say support and tickets. Page is loading up. So over here, you can now search request if you want to, and of course, the organization list says there's no request found, so you can go ahead and click on this my request tab. See no request found, so request okay, and this is request CCD on if you want to data it. So this is your support ID. All right, phone support is currently only available for premium users if you want to do that. So contact your support team by clicking here. So here, fill out this form, enter your subject, the description, and attachments if you have any, and go ahead and click on submit. So in this description is where you're going to send the details of the issue that you have. And if you have attachments, go ahead and add attachments, and you're definitely going to get back to you. So that's pretty much the process. I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.